Welcome to FPA's Flexible Packaging Achievement Awards ceremony. This is the 65th year for the awards competition. I'm Kathy Bolhouse, CEO of Charter Next Generation and chairperson of the FPA Board of Directors. I was really hoping that we would all be able to be together in person this March, but instead we're going to have to settle for a virtual format. We didn't want to wait until September to be able to present these awards and showcase the companies and all the fantastic innovation that's going on in our industry. So we decided to hold the awards ceremony virtually. As we begin the ceremony, FPA would like to thank all of our sponsors for 2021. It's your generous contributions that help make our meetings so successful. On behalf of Charter Next Generation, we are pleased to be the platinum sponsor this year. Now, our gold sponsor, the Flint Group. Our silver sponsors, Avery Dennison, Berry Global, Dow, EFI, Glenroy, Hosokawa Alpine American, McDermott Graphics Solutions, Sun Chemical Corporation, and our bronze sponsors, Bostic, Energy Sciences, Endevco Plastics, Paper Converting Machine Company, TC Transcontinental Packaging, and Wyckoff Color Corporation. Again, thank you to all of our sponsors for your support of the FPA. This evening, we are honoring 20 innovative packages with 27 achievement awards in various categories. We'll begin the award ceremony with a video from our platinum sponsor, Charter Next Generation, then a brief overview of this year's competition from the judges.
Charter Next Generation is a specialty film producer, and we're not only the film experts, we're passionate about film. It's 100% of everything we do. That allows us to really be the experts, whether it's how we design the films, whether it's how we produce it to very tight tolerances, how we train our people, how we service our customers. Everything we do is about film. We make films that have a very high cost of failure. So the number one most important thing when it comes to film is quality. From the minute it arrives on our customer's dock, we want that film to work and we want it to be problem-free. It's going to run in their process, it's going to perform in the field, and the brand that they're working so hard to protect is going to be protected. Sustainability isn't just a word at Charter Next Generation. It's a passion. We've been working on sustainable solutions because we want to lead the industry in bringing solutions to the market that will address the issues of plastic waste in the environment. We've brought innovation to how we design these films to ensure that we're not only pushing the envelope on sustainability, but we are a leader. We're very humble in wanting to deserve our customers' business and never taking it for granted. It doesn't matter what we've done in the past, it's what are we going to do in the future. That means that we're going to find a better way to design our films, a better way to train our people, a better way to produce our films. We keep raising the bar in technology and innovation. We make films that push the envelope. We make films that allow our customers to push the envelope, constantly bringing new solutions to the market so that we can continue to earn our customers' business.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the 65th Annual Flexible Packaging Association Achievement Awards. I am Corey Francer, Editor-in-Chief of Packaging Impressions magazine, and I am thrilled to have been invited to be a judge for this year's competition. And I am joined today by my co-judges, David Lutenberger from Mintel and Keith Forst from Iowa State University. So before we dive into some of the packaging from this year, why don't we just go around the panel a little bit and have everyone introduce themselves. So David, let's start with you.
Yeah, thanks, Corey. I'm David Lutenberger. I'm the Global Packaging Director for the consumer insights firm Mintel. Again, a privilege to be invited back. Corey and I were co-judges a couple of years ago, so I always look forward to this. Thank you.
I'm faculty at Iowa State University. I direct the packaging and research activities here at Iowa State for the Polymer and Food Protection Consortium.
It's been an honor to talk over the past couple of days about some of the really incredible packaging entries that we've seen. For me, specifically, the two things that jumped to mind were the print quality that we saw was, I think, this year really, really impressive. There's some amazing things being done with the graphics and flexible packaging.
I agree. I think the printing was very impressive this year. It was the first thing that kind of grabbed our attention. I'm also excited that we have a lot of companies engaging in sustainability initiatives. I like to call it a sustainability journey.
I think the first thing that stood out, Corey, was the number of entries. We've certainly had a unique and challenging year, but to have this many entries, as many, if not more, than we've had the past couple of years, certainly a nod to the flexible packaging converters out there for their attention on that. We saw some really unique, clever and practical constructions, looking at the advancement of barriers, particularly for recyclable materials, extending shelf life. So that really stood out, tandem with sustainability. But as you both said, the printing quality this year was the thing that jumped out to me. Just some of the most outstanding packaging graphics, designs, shelf appearance that I've seen in any competition in the past few years. Very impressive.
One thing as well, maybe compared to previous years, it seemed like there were a ton of international entries. We saw some entries from the Middle East, from Europe, from Asia as well. So really a nice global mix of packaging.
I think what's impressive is, like you said, this is a global competition. Packaging is a global industry. And it's interesting to see how technologies, how things such as sustainability, as print capabilities, it kind of goes hand in hand with consumer trends, whether it's sustainability or technical innovation or printing, whether it's for transportation or shelf appeal. We've seen a wide range of demonstrations of some outstanding flexible packaging technologies that represent what we're looking for around the world from flexible packaging.
I agree. I think the international, in many cases, they brought some new technology to the game, and I think we're seeing just a different approach in some of this packaging. Maybe some things that we wouldn't typically see here in the U.S., and it's great to see that mix.
We see some outstanding technologies from India in flexible packaging.
Yeah.
We've seen this year, from the UAE, some outstanding graphics. Truly is showing that packaging is a global industry.
Absolutely. And I thought one other really interesting thing this year that we talked about a little bit was some of the innovations on the medical side of things. This year of all years, there's really been a lot of focus being put on the packaging world for things like pharmaceutical safety, medical devices, and food safety as well. Packaging has really been put in the spotlight this year.
I think what's important to recognize is that flexible packaging converters are recognizing that the end user is not always a consumer. It could be an operating room tech, an EMT, it could be someone in a warehouse someplace. So making sure that the packaging works as it's supposed to make sure that the product maintains safety, efficacy, is protected, is easy to open, can tell us when it's already been opened. So we really have to think about that user experience in the context with who the user is, not just a shopper in a store or someone preparing a meal at home, for instance.
When they do a good job of presenting the innovation, I really want to give them credit for that. Some of the stuff we saw this year, whether it's reducing the number of layers, maybe embedding something that gives it a high temp resistance, or taking on an application that was traditionally not available to flexible packaging. It's something that the consumer wouldn't necessarily see, but wow, it's a game changer. And some of these companies really need kudos for doing that. Some of the engineering going into some of this packaging is phenomenal.
Yeah,
and I think a lot of times they don't get the credit for it. So it's good that we have a forum like this.
Great. Well, thanks, guys. Really been a great opportunity to work together with you on this judging and learn from your experience and really collaborate on this. And congratulations to all of the winning companies. This year had an excellent batch of entries. So congratulations again to everyone who took part in the awards, and looking forward to keeping it going for next year.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Flexible Packaging Association is proud to present the winners of the 65th Annual FPA Flexible Packaging Achievement Awards competition. This evening, 20 outstanding flexible packages will receive achievement awards for advancements in 6 categories, which include expanding the use of flexible packaging, printing, shelf impact, technical innovation, sustainability, and packaging excellence. The Packaging Excellence category recognizes packages that incorporate attributes from all of these award categories. Tonight's winning entries feature exceptional flexible packaging solutions that meet expectations and needs through advancements in materials, graphics, structure, use, shelf life, and sustainability. We will now begin the awards presentation with our Silver Award winners. Receiving several Silver Awards is Berry Global. Their first 2 Silver Awards are for sustainability and technical innovation for Aunt Millie's Live Organic BioVantage Bakery Bag. Aunt Millie's Live Organic is a new family-farmed organic bread, emphasizing social and environmental responsibility, strengthened through the use of Berry Global's BioVantage Bakery Film. This film contains 50% renewable, bio-based PE sourced from sugarcane. BioVantage is a drop-in for traditional PE films with no change in performance or packaging properties. Also, BioVantage films are how to recycle pre-qualified. Through the use of BioVantage biorenewable content certified inks and 15% down gauging, Aunt Millie's reinforce the appeal of the Live Organic product line to the target audience of environmentally and socially responsible consumers. Berry's next Silver Award is for expanding the use of flexible packaging for the Smithfield Prime Fresh Delicatessen Package. The Smithfield Prime Fresh Delicatessen Package is a proprietary dual farming web engineered to mirror packaging typical to cold cuts just sliced at the deli counter. The Prime Fresh package is the only deli meat package of its kind. It is a surface-printed co-extruded film with high barrier properties, enabling it to replace laminated structures that are typical to processed deli meat. Through an innovative extrusion process and careful material selection, this package offers improved shelf life and enhanced consumer experience, while eliminating the PET web typical to laminations. The Prime Fresh bag also uses 31% less material than the conventional tubs that hold competing pre-sliced deli meat, resulting in other sustainability benefits like fewer transportation miles and less product waste. Berry Global and Pack Worldwide Corporation received 2 Silver Awards for packaging excellence and sustainability for the 50% recycled content multi-use e-commerce mailer. Berry Global and Pack Worldwide Corporation co-developed a multi-use e-commerce mailer that contains an industry-leading 50% recycled content. Using a proprietary blend, this mailer advances the circular economy through a material reduction of 20% to competing mailers and the prior mailer used. Also, This mailer is part of a family of mailers that utilize an exclusive closed-loop system of recycled content supplied in partnership with one of Pack Worldwide's e-commerce customers. Uniquely engineered for best-in-class output, high opacity, low light transmission, high performance seal characteristics, and extreme toughness, this mailer helps e-commerce brands meet sustainability objectives without compromising on performance. Receiving a Silver Award for Technical Innovation is Pa Harper 3P and Hershey India for the Brookside Hershey's Exotic Dark Pouch. This innovative peelable strip in a pouch was developed where the consumer initially sees the existing branding, Brookside, and then peels the strip away to unveil the new Hershey branding, Hershey's Exotic Dark. The strip is an integral part of the pouch and is not a pressure-sensitive paper label. Pa Harper 3P developed this concept, modified existing equipment, and was able to manufacture the pouches with a zipper and bottom gusset, plus the registered strip with minimum tolerance. The challenge was to develop the laminate structure for the pouch and strip, which should look similar to the existing laminate and exhibit good heat seal and easy peel properties. The specifications of the base gusset of the pouches were slightly changed, and it passed all hurdles of machinability, barrier properties, and standability. Pro Ampac receives a Shelf Impact Silver Award for the K-Pow Cacao Fruit Smoothie Balls pouch. K-Pow brought to market their cacao fruit smoothie balls, little balls of goodness, combining cacao fruit smoothie pulp with other fruits, nuts, and seeds to deliver a completely new plant-based snack experience. These bite-sized, nourishing snacks are produced in a wind-powered manufacturing facility and are individually wrapped on a high-speed vertical form-fill seal line with a unique recyclable high-barrier paper touch film, then placed in reclosable pouches, also made with a unique recyclable high-barrier paper touch structure. Receiving a Silver Award for Sustainability is Plastic Suppliers Incorporated and Elk Packaging for the Numi Tea packaging. Timed with a brand refresh, Numi Tea introduced a new plant-based package for their individually wrapped tea. This new pouch incorporates renewable bio-based plastic, including Earth First PLA sealant film, instead of fossil fuel-based plastic. Every layer of the packaging is now plant-based. The tea packages passed ASTM D6868 biodegradation testing for disintegration and ecotoxicity, making the tea wraps compostable in commercial facilities. Now, Numi tea packages naturally lower the carbon footprint of the packaging. NOSCO receives a Printing Silver Award for the Reset 360 large format protein pouch. When Reset 360 came to NOSCO, seeking a large format digital flexible packaging pouch with metallic color, NOSCO's team of engineers and graphics experts went to work on a solution. Because metallic print cannot be attained on press today, the team first recommended a metallized PET material for its metallic properties. They then paired this material with the appropriate screen values to allow for the desired metallic effect to show through, matching the metallic PMS color originally requested by the customer. Premium white ink was then printed in the areas where Reset 360 did not want a metallic effect, which provided the clean look desired. The pouch features 5 HP indigo electro ink colors. Congratulations to all of our Silver Award winners. Now it's time to announce the Gold Award winners. Amcor Flexibles is receiving 2 Gold Awards for technical innovation. The first Gold Technical Innovation Award goes to Amcor's Dual Chamber Pouch. The Amcor Dual Chamber Pouch is a specialty multi-layer pouch with a breathable membrane. The product consists of a peelable device chamber and a non-peelable desiccant chamber, and the desiccant is kept separate from the device with a symmetric co-extruded vented nylon film. This solution is ideal for moisture-sensitive products, such as drug-coated products, which may be adversely affected by reacting with various gases found within the atmosphere of the package, and is suitable for ethylene oxide sterilization. Amcor's second Gold Technical Innovation Award goes to the Shield Pack Clear High Barrier Aseptic IBC Liner. The liner provides the clarity and durability that the distribution process demands. This technology replaces laminated-oriented metallized structures in applications where manufacturers are packaging up to 300 gallons of product for intermittent storage and transportation. The multi-layer structure safeguards against moisture, oxygen, and environmental contamination, while extending distribution range, reducing transit failures, improving product quality, and maintaining product color and vitamin retention. A Gold Award for sustainability goes to Polycar, Eagle Flexible Packaging, and Foodamira USA Incorporated for Arbor Tea's Organic Tea. Compostable films are united to create an environmentally friendly tea packaging solution. The labels of the packaging are composed of hemp-based or sugarcane-based paper. The sealant layer is PKB IO 200C from Polycar. This film is derived from resin, which is partially bio-based from corn feedstock. It has high clarity and a low seal initiation temperature. The print web of the multi-layer structure is NatureFlex from Foodamira, a compostable cellulose film based on wood pulp from sustainably managed sources. These materials also reduce the weight of the packaging when compared to paperboard tubes or craft bags. The material in Arbor Tea's packages requires a less optimized environment for biodegradation, representing a major advance in low-impact packaging. Receiving a Gold Award for expanding the use of flexible packaging is Paxis Incorporated for Chameleon for Tyvek. Chameleon for Tyvek allows the user to readily evaluate the quality of a seal when used with uncoated Tyvek. Before opening, the seal shows as a darker color when viewed through the film side. Once the package has been peeled open, a vivid colored seal indicator presents on the Tyvek with a contrasting white seal indicator on the film. The easy ability for users to identify any seal flaws addresses the new EU medical device regulation requirements that the integrity of the packaging is clearly evident to the final user, while providing a consistent, smooth, fiber-free peel. Emirates Printing Press is receiving a total of 6 awards. Their first 3 awards are Gold Awards for Packaging Excellence, Printing, and Shelf Impact for Hunter's Gourmet Quinoa Chips. The first thing that consumers remember about a brand is its color. The print-on-matte OPP with a white background and multiple colors gives the package a very rich look, and the shelf appearance influences the consumers to buy the product. The package structure also maintains the required barrier for the chips. The NutriDates 3D pouch receives a Gold Award for printing. The NutriDates 3D pouch complements the contrast between the matte look with a patterned golden metallic design. The date image is designed to create a superior impact on the shelf and comes with a reclosable zipper to maintain product freshness and laser scoring for consumer convenience. Another Gold Award for printing is given to the Volga Shahi Gold Pouch. The Volga Shahi Gold Pouch is printed with inline registered matte coating, which makes the pouch stand out on the shelf. High dart PE used inside the gusset improves the dart impact of the laminate, sustained drop tests, and bursting strength during transport and handling of the package. The artwork was designed to enhance the traditional feel. The matte and glossy look of the pouch creates excellent shelf appeal, helping it catch the immediate attention of the user. A 3D pouch technique was used to replace the conventional pouching and woven bag. Emirates Printing Press also receives a Silver Award for printing for the Amazon T Stand-Up Pouch. The Amazon T Stand-Up Pouch is designed to create a superior impact on the shelf. The key features include rich, vibrant colors and appealing visual effects, achieved with 8-color gravure printing, which makes the pouch distinctive. The printing on matte OPP with a very high resolution product image gives the package a unique look. This pouch, both functional and elegant, is designed with a resealable zipper that keeps the product fresh for a longer time. Receiving a Gold Award for sustainability is TC Transcontinental Packaging for the industrial, compostable coffee pod lidding and mother bag. Both the pod lidding and mother bag are certified by the Biodegradable Products Institute, meaning that it is certified to break down in industrial composting. They are made from a high percentage of plant-based materials, providing a sustainable solution for the single-serve coffee industry to mitigate landfill waste. The entire solution has a circular design with renewable inputs into the materials and a no-separation pod design to ensure easy consumer disposal into the organics collection to be processed as industrial compost. The compostable lidding film has a good sealing performance as it seals onto the unique industrial compostable soft pod design and brown ring. The mother bag protects the pods and provides a barrier, all to help mitigate contamination in the end stream. Carlville and the Packaging Lab receive a Gold Award for Shelf Impact for the infused face mask. Not all masks are created equal. The copper-infused face mask is impregnated with shea butter moisturizer, as doctors, first responders, and millions of people are dealing with redness, irritation, or maskne caused by masks. For the packaging, the pouch is digitally printed, thermally laminated, and pouched all within 24 hours. To give a moisture barrier, the brand owner chose a matte BOPP. PrintPak is receiving a total of 4 awards. Their first 3 awards are Gold Awards for packaging excellence, printing, and shelf impact for the Ruffles Lime and Jalapeno Anthony Davis bags. Ruffles' new lime and jalapeno chip flavor is a collaboration between 2 bold and dynamic brands, Ruffles and basketball star Anthony Davis. The collaboration was inspired by Davis's multidimensional personality and Ruffles' spirit of individuality. 3 package designs reference Anthony Davis's number 3 jersey. Each package features one of 2 images of Mr. Davis, placed on one of 3 different backgrounds of bold waves. The wavy lines of the package represent both Ruffles' iconic texture and Davis's trademark unibrow. These limited edition bags marks the first time in Frito-Lay history that a chip package features a celebrity likeness. PrintPak also receives a Silver Award for Shelf Impact for the Krakatoa Hot Chips. The North Star of Krakatoa Hot Chips is heat. As such, the brand is named after Mount Krakatoa, a volcano in the Indonesian islands, famous for one of the most violent explosions in human history. To that end, Krakatoa's logo doubles as both the human mouth on fire as well as a volcano erupting. The brand has 5 trademark names that represent a flavor experience that ranges from spicy to volcanic, as measured by the brand's crack scale. The crack scale is featured prominently on the back of the bag, so consumers know exactly what they're getting into. And now, it's time to present the Flexible Packaging Association's highest achievement award. This award is given to an outstanding package that demonstrates overall package excellence and has made the most significant contribution to the flexible packaging industry. This year, the highest achievement award is presented to American Packaging Corporation for CrunchPak's Toy Story Lunch Kits. This package also receives a Gold Award for technical innovation. American Packaging Corporation is proud to be part of the packaging for CrunchPak's Lunch Kits. Lunch Kits is a 4-ounce snack tray having individual compartments containing fresh sliced apples, an artisan cracker, string cheese, and Italian salami. The foods are fresh and healthy, including the salami, which is without nitrates, nitrites, or artificial ingredients. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our presentation of the FPA 2021 Flexible Packaging Achievement Award competition winners. The winning packages and all the competition entries will be on display during the FPA annual meeting being held September 15 through 17, 2021 at the Ritz-Carlton, Amelia Island, Florida. Copies of the 2021 FPA Flexible Packaging Achievement Awards and Innovation Showcase booklet will be mailed to FPA members with the May-June edition of FlexPack Voice and will be available during the annual meeting and at industry trade shows throughout the year. The Flexible Packaging Association congratulates all of our award recipients. Thank you and good night.
I want to thank all of the recipients for their outstanding innovations, which are contributing to the success of this great industry. Before we conclude, I once again would like to thank the 2021 sponsors. Our platinum sponsor, Charter Next Generation. Our gold sponsor, the Flint Group. Our silver sponsors, Avery Dennison, Berry Global, Dow, EFI, Glenroy, Hosokawa Alpine American, McDermott Graphic Solutions, Sun Chemical Corporation. And our bronze sponsors, Bostic, Energy Sciences, Endevco Plastics, Paper Converting Machine Company, TC Transcontinental Packaging, Wyckoff Color Corporation. This concludes our awards presentation. Congratulations to all of our award recipients. Please mark your calendars for the annual meeting that will be held September 15 through 17 at the Ritz-Carlton, Amelia Island, Florida. I hope to see you there. Thank you for attending our virtual presentation. I hope you have a great day.